Hello students, today we are going to start Max NCERT chapter number 14 Smart Charts. So open page number 162, chapter number 14 Smart Chart. How many hours? All of us enjoy watching television, TV or listening to the radio. How much time do we spend in this? So how much time we will spend in this in watching TV or listening to the radio? So we spend about 1 hour every day on watching television. Note the times you spend in front of a TV or a radio every day. Do this for 1 week. The time spent in a week is dash hours. So we have to note a time for a 1 week. In 1 week, how many hours we are watching TV? So in 1 week equal to how many days? 7 days. So the time spent on TV in a week is 7 hours. In one day we are watching 1 hour TV daily. So the time spent in 1 week equal to 7 multiplied by 1 hour, so 7 ones are 7, so that is 7 hours. So in a month you spend about 30 multiplied by dash equal to dash hours. So in a month there are 30 days. So 30 multiplied by 1, so in a month you spend about 30 multiplied by 1 equal to 30 hours. Now same page, find out from your friends the time they spent in a week. So I found out from my friends about the time they spend in a week on watching television. So like this we have to prepare the chart. How many hours they watch TV or listen to the radio in a week? Number of children. So more than 6 hours 30 children, 6 hours 25 children, 5 hours 25 children, 4 hours 25 children, 3 hours 20 children, 2 hours 22 children, 1 hour 24 children. 0 hour means do not watch. They will not watch TV or listen radio. So like this 20 children. So now in next page some questions are there related to the table. So from your table, watching TV, listening to the radio, we have to answer the questions. So this way we prepare the table. So first question, dash children spend more than 6 hours in a week? So how many children have spent more than 6 hours in a week? So more than 6 hours, how many children? That is 30. So 30 children spend more than 6 hours in a week. Next question, dash children spend no time at all? Who not spend at no time at all means that 0 hour means do not watch anything, TV or radio. So like this 20 children spend no time at all. Now next question, most children spend dash hours in a week. So most children will spend how many hours in a week? So we can say most children spend 15 hours in a week. Now next question, dash children spend more than 3 hours? So that is more than 3 hours. So we will calculate more than 3 means we will take 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours and more than 6 hours. So for 4 hours there are 25 children. For 5 hours there are 25 children. For 6 hours there are 25 children and more than 6 hours there are 30 children. So 25 plus 25 50, 50 plus 25 75, 75 plus 30 105. So 105 children spend more than 3 hours. Now same page, which program? There are different types of programs on TV or radio such as cartoons, news, sports, music, plays, serials. Joey's father likes watching serials or mother likes sports. Joey likes news program. Ask people in your family to name one program they like and one program they dislike. Make a table. So this way we have to make a table. We have to complete it. So family members, programs they like and programs they dislike. So first mother, program liked by mother that is serials and program disliked by mother news. And now second father, they like news and they dislike serials. Third sister, they like music and they dislike news. Then brother, they like sports and dislike cereals. Then grandmother, they like cereals and they dislike sports. Then grandfather, they like news and dislike cereals. Then me, ourself also we have to write. So music and we dislike news. So the question, the kind of program most family members like. So which kind of program most family members are liking? So the kind of programs most family members like is serials, news and music. So they are will like serials, music and news. Second question, the kind of program most family members dislike. So which programs they dislike? The kind of program most family members dislike is serials and news. They are disliking serials and news. Now next page. Number 2, find out from 20 friends the programs they like and dislike and write in a table. So kinds of programs, news, serials, cartoons, comedy shows, sports, number of children liking it and number of children disliking it. So we have to complete this table. So number of children liking it, so total 20 friends we have to ask and we have to complete this table. So news, how many children's liking? So 10. And how many children disliking? That is 10. Serials, 2 children liking and 18 children disliking. Then cartoons, 19 children liking and 1 children disliking. Then music, 18 children liking and 2 children disliking. Then movie, 17 children liking and 3 children disliking. Then sports, 20 children liking and 0 children disliking. So with the help of this table, we have to answer the question. So first one, which kind of program is liked by most children? So most of the children like cartoons and sports program. Okay, so more numbers of children are liking cartoons and sports program. Then second, which kind of program is disliked by the least number of children? So disliked by least. So cartoons and sport are disliked by least children. See, in cartoons only one children is disliking and in sports 0 children is means no children disliking the sports. Now third, how many children like sports program? So how many children? So total 20 means all. 20 all children like sports programs. Is there any kind of programs not liked by anyone? Yes or no? If yes, which one? So no. All programs are liked by the children. Now same 164 page. Who is my friend? So your poem is given. So next page, read the poem carefully and answer these questions. So first we will read, I have a friend with me always in the nights and through the days. When I run, he runs with me. Sometimes I lead, sometimes he. When it's dark, he can't be seen. Do you know which friend I mean? So which friend? That is shadow. So first we will make this way, letters A to Z, and number of letters means how many times the number of letter is used in this poem. Okay, so first A 10 times, B 1 time, C 2 times, D 7 times, E 20 times. Like this way we have to count and write first. Then here questions are there. Which word comes most often in the poem? So which word is coming most of the time? So the word I. So here I, then I run, then I lead. Okay, then I mean. So the word I comes most often in the poem. Then number 2, which letter has been used most? So which letter has been used most? So that is the letter E has been used most in the poem. So E how many times? That is 20 times. See here, in first in friend E 1, then here 2, 3, 4, then in second line no there E, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19, 20. So how many times? 20 times letter E is repeated. So the letter E has been used most in the poem. So next question, which letter comes the least? Which letters comes least? So that is the letter B and V comes the least in the poem. So B is used for only one time, here only BE. Okay, B, and V is used for only one time, that is VE, I have. Now same page, page number 165. Take a paragraph you like from your language textbook, read carefully and find out. So any paragraph we can take. There are 4 houses on his land and in the middle there is a well. He wants to divide this land equally among his 4 children. Each should get one house and be able to use the well without entering the other's land. So this is our paragraph. So first question, which word comes most often, how many times? So before that we will prepare a table like this. So letters A to Z, and how many times we have to use these letters, that we will one by one count and we will write. So A 12 times, B 2 times, C 2 times, D 11 times, E 26 times, F 1 time, G 3 times, H 16 times, I 11 times, J 0 times, K 0 times. Okay, like this way we will prepare up to Z. So first question, which word comes most often, how many times? So the word land comes most often. See land, how words, how many times it repeated? 1, and in third line 2, and in last line 3. So the word land comes most often, and it how many times? That is 3 times. Now next question, which word comes least often? So which words are used in least? So that is R. R are used in only one time, and on. The word R and on etc. comes least. Then next, the letter used most often is, so the letter, see which is used most. So from this table we come to know that is he. So the letter E used most often, that is by 26 times. Now next, the letter used least often is, so which letter is used very least? That is F, then Q, then V, then Y. They are used in one time. So the letter F, Q, V and Y are used only once. Now food we eat. Children were talking about what things they eat in the morning, made up of rice, wheat, maize, barley, etc. So the first one saying I eat rice and things made from rice. The second one, I eat chapatis made from wheat. So the third girl, but I eat rotis made from maize. The fourth one, I like to drink sato made from barley. Now last one, my favorite is porridge made from ragi. Now page number 166, find out from your classmates and fill the table. So main food, number of persons. How many persons will like this food? So rice 25%, wheat 24%, maize 2%, barley 3%, ragi 1%. So look at the table and tell, most children eat food made from, so what they will eat, who is, which main food is highest person liking? So that is rice. So most children eat food made from rice. Second question, compared to children who eat rice, those who eat wheat are more, less or equal. So rice eating persons are 25 and wheat eating persons are 24. So which one is more? That is rice. So more children eat food made from rice than wheat. Now next, compared to those who eat wheat, children eating ragi are more or less. So wheat, how many children are eating? 24, and ragi 1. So the number of children who eat wheat are more than who eat food made of ragi. Now preparing for the class drama. All children of a class are getting ready for a drama. Some children are acting, some are busy collecting the dresses, some are bringing tables and chairs to make the sets. Now page number 167. So this way they have given the graph. The drama chart, number of children. This one symbol triangle is indicates, this shows 3 children. How many children? 3 children. So first they are acting. So how many children? 1, 2, 3. 3 triangle means 3 3s are 9. One triangle represent 3 children. So 9 children. Now in second, collecting dresses. So how many children? 1, 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 children. Now playing music. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So one triangle equal to 3 children. So 4 means 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12 children are in playing music. Then making the sets. How many children? 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 children. So with help of this, chart, we have to answer the question. How many children are acting in the drama? So how many children are acting in the drama? So 9 children are acting in the drama. So in acting, how many children are there? 1, 2, 3. So one triangle represent 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 children are acting in the drama. Now next question, which are more? Children making the sets or those acting? So making set or those acting, which are more? So year 9 and year 6. So which are more? So 9 children are doing acting and 6 children are making the sets. So therefore the number of children doing acting are more. Next question, what is being done by most of the children? So that is playing music. Most of the children are playing music. How many children are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. Each triangle represents 3 children. So 4 3 is 12. 12 children are playing music. Now next question. How many children are collecting dresses? So that is 1, 2. So 2 3 is 6. 6 children are collecting dresses. Now whose head is bigger? Cut long paper strips from waste paper. Give one strip to each of your friends. Now put the paper strip around your head and tear off the extra strip on a big sheet. Extra strip on a big sheet. Paste this paper strip along a line. Now next page, page number 168. Some children had pasted the strips and made a chart like this. So this way we have to make a chart. Your chart should also look like this. So any name we can take. The streets of my friend's head are pasted in the following chart. So like this way also we made. So Rashmi, Ratan, Chandana and Raksha. So use a scale and find out from your chart. So the length of the longest strip is dash centimeters. So with help of scale we can measure this strip. So longest strip is, the length of the longest strip is 50 centimeter. How much centimeter? 50. So Dash has the biggest head. So whose head is big? That is Chandana has the biggest head. Now the smallest strip is dash centimeter long. So which one is the smallest? That is this Raksha. The smallest strip is 30 centimeter long. It belongs to Raksha. Now chapati chart. All children of a school taken part in different clubs. Okay, they have taken part in different clubs like game clubs, garden clubs and drawing clubs. They have shown in this graph like this way. This is known as a chapati chart. The chapati chart shows the number of children in different clubs. Now next page, page number 169. From the picture we can see that so this is the picture, games club. In yellow color portion it shows the games club, then purple color it shows the garden club and green color it shows the drawing club. Half the children in the class take part in the games club. So this means yellow color means this is a half of the circle. So half the children in the class takes part in the games club. Then B, 1/4 of the children are member of the garden club. Means this is the half. In half only they have took the 1/4. Means in circle we divide 4 parts. So half is game club and the 1/4 part is garden club. And see, the drawing club has 1/4 of the children of the class. The same way drawing club is also 1/4. Okay, from half the two parts are divided 1/4, 1/4. Now, if there are 200 students in the school, look at the above chapati chart and tell the number of members in each club. So, if there are 200 students, so we have to tell how many children are there in each club. So, the first, the game club has dash members. So, how many members are there in games club? So, total we are knowing 200 students. So, the game club is half of the circle. So, 200 multiplied by half, 1 upon 2. So in 2 table when 200 will come, 2 hundreds. So we will cut. So now 100 multiplied by 1 we will get 100. So how many children are there? The games club has 100 members. Now second question, the garden club has dash members. Now the garden club is 1/4. So 1/4 means how we will find out? So total number of children is 200. So 200 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now we have to divide in 4 table when 200 will come. So that is 450s. Okay, so now we will multiply 50 multiply by 1. So 50 ones are 50. So the garden club has 50 members. Now next question. There are dash members in the drawing club. Same way 1/4 of the children are of drawing club. So again we will 200 multiply by 1 upon 4. So in 4 table when 200 will come, so that is 50. So 50 ones are 50. So there are 50 members in the drawing club. So getting wet in the rain. Who likes to get wet in the rain? A child made this chapati chart after asking his friends. So those who like to get wet in the rain. So in this chapati chart, the green color means those who like to get wet in the rain, and blue color indicates those who do not like to get wet in the rain. Means if we will make this circle into four equal parts, okay. So it means only 1/4 of the children are dislike to not like to get wet in the rain, and other 3/4 part means 1 2 3 part of the circle are like to wet in the rain. So see the chapati chart and tell. Number 1, how many children like to get wet in the rain? So how many children are like to get wet in the rain? So that is A half, B 1/4 and C 3/4. So which one will be correct? That is 3/4. So our answer is 3/4 of the children like to get wet in the rain. Now second question, how many children do not like to get wet in the rain? So that is 1/4. So answer, 1/4 of the children do not like to get wet in the rain. Now page number 170. If the number of children in the class is 28, then tell the number of children who like to get wet in the rain. So if the total number of children is 28 as given, and we have to answer who like to get wet in the rain. So like to get wet in the rain is 3 upon 4th in chapati chart that is given. So we will multiply 28 multiply by 3 upon 4. So in 4 table when 28 will come, so that is 4 sevens. So now we will multiply 7 multiply by 3. So 7 threes are 21. So 21 children like to get wet in the rain. Now next question, who do not like to get wet in the rain? So total 28 children, and 1/4 of the children do not like to get wet in the rain. So in 4 table when 28 will come, 4 sevens are 28. So 7 ones are 7 means 7 children do not like to get wet in the rain. Now same page, tea, coffee or milk. Some children were asked which of these they liked most, tea, coffee or milk. The drink they like, number of children. So milk, how many children liking? 20. Coffee, 10 children. And tea, 10 children. So total number of children. So how many children are liking the drink? That is 20 plus 10 plus 10. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. So 40 children are total number of children equal to 40. Now find out from the table. Children who like milk are 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 4 of the total children. So the who like milk are 20. So that is half for 1 upon 4. So children who like milk are half of the total children. Total children is 40, and from that 20 children are liking. So half of the 40 is 20. So half of the children are liking milk. Now second, children who like coffee are 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 4 of the total children. So coffee, how many children are liking? That is only 10. So total children is 40. So only 10 children are liking. Means children who like coffee are 1 upon 4 of the total children. Means half means 20. From 20 it is half. So that is 1 upon 4 of the total children. Now show the liking for tea, coffee or milk in a chapati chart. Now here we have to draw a chapati chart. So how we will draw? The chapati chart of children liking tea, coffee or milk are given below. So first we will make a circle. So half of the children are liking milk. So in a circle we will divide in two parts. So one part we will shade into green. So that is children who like milk, and other coffee and tea they are liking in a equal means 10 10. So in second part we will draw a partition, and first we will write children who like tea and children who like coffee. So 1/4 of the children like tea and 1/4 of the children like coffee. So this way we will prepare a chapati chart. Okay children, I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.